Welcome dear students. In my previous lecture, I have already explained about subject and predicate. Today we will discuss back exercise of lesson 9 subject and predicate. Now worksheet 2 page number 64. Exercise 1. Divide the following into subject and predicate. In this exercise, you have to divide the sentence into two parts. First, subject and second, predicate. You have to write S for subject and P for predicate. First sentence is, I bought a book of fairy tales yesterday. In this sentence, I is a subject and the other part of sentence is predicate. You have to underline the subject. Second sentence, Cinderella had two stepsisters. In this sentence, Cinderella is a subject and the other part of sentence is predicate. So, write S for subject and P for predicate. Next, number C, the two sisters were very cruel to her. In this sentence, subject is the two sisters and the other part is predicate. D. Snow White was a beautiful princess. Snow White subject was a beautiful princess predicate. E part, she was very lonely. She subject was very lonely predicate. F. Her stepmother wanted to kill her. Her stepmother subject wanted to kill her predicate. G part, Thumbelina could sleep inside a matchbox. Thumbelina subject could sleep inside a matchbox predicate. Number H, Rapunzel was locked inside a castle. Rapunzel subject and the other part is predicate. Next, I part, she had beautiful golden hair. She subject had beautiful golden hair predicate. J, all these pretty ladies in the fairy tales become happy at the end. In this sentence, all these pretty ladies in the fairy tales. This is subject and the other part is predicate. Now, do this exercise very carefully. Next, exercise number 2. Read the following sentences and underline the subject in each sentence. Only you have to underline all the subjects. First sentence, it was a wet rainy day and the subject is it. Next, Poppy looked out of the window. Poppy. Number C, her parents were on a long holiday. Her parents. Number D, Aunt Bella had gone out to visit her friend, Aunt Bella. Number E, a rusted key lay on a small table, a rusted key. Next and last, the walls were decorated with sparkly silver and gold stars. The walls. Underline all the subjects only. Now, exercise 3, page number 65. Match the subjects in column A with their predicates in column B. Only you have to write the numbers in front of column B. First, an aeronautic engineer, and the answer is makes and maintains aeroplanes. Second, an interior decorator. Answer is decorates the houses or offices. C part, a web designer, makes web pages. D, a news editor, edits the news programs. Number E, a journalist, and the answer is collect news. Number F, an animator, makes animations and cartoons. Next, number G, an event manager, organizes and manages an event or function. A music director composes the music of a song. Number I, an architect, designs the layout of a building. Last, number J, a psychologist, and the answer is studies the behavior of people. Now, write down the numbers in front of column B. and the numbers are 5, 10, 2, 1, 3, 9, 6, 4, 8, 7. Now exercise 1. Do it yourself, page number 65. Fill in the blanks with appropriate subject and predicate. 1 is done as an example. First, A part, who is your best friend? In this sentence, subject is who. Next, B part, my father and I dash. Now, fill in the blank with the help of predicate in this sentence. And the answer is went to the market. My father and I went to the market. Number C, his shoes dash are black, or you can write are white, etc. Now, number D, dash hosts the national flag at the Red Fort on 15th August every year, and the subject is the Prime Minister. Number E, Rohit's friends dash are playing, are talking, are studying. Write whatever you like. Next, number F, dash roared loudly, and the answer is the lion. Number G, dash is blue, and the answer is the sky. Next, number H, dash was the hero of the movie, and the subject is who. Now, write all the answers neatly and carefully. Today, your homework is learn all the worksheets of lesson 9, subject and predicate. Thank you and have a nice day.